In this video I'm gonna show you how to change or set a profile picture on your Gmail account. It's a very simple and easy process. For doing this, watch the whole video. First of all, open your Gmail app. Now tap on the profile icon at the upper right corner. Tap on Manage your Google account. Here, you will see your current profile picture at the top middle. To change your Gmail profile picture or set a profile picture, just tap on this. Now tap on Set Profile Photo. Tap Choose Photo. Now select a photo that you want to set as your Gmail profile photo. After selecting a photo, just tap on Accept. Wait a moment, your photo is uploading. Wow! See, my Gmail profile picture has been changed. By following this simple and easy process, you can also change or set a profile picture on your Gmail account. I hope you understand the full process. If you think this video is useful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. That is all for today. Thanks for watching the full video.